Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the subject of solid state drives. In that unit 3, we are going to see the speed control of induction motor drive. So, types of speed control. So, types of speed control, there are four types. First one is stator voltage control. Second one is stator frequency control. Third one is V by F control. Fourth one is pole changing method. This will coming under types of stator side control. Then types of rotor side control. First one is cascade control method. Second one is additionally external resistance in the rotor circuit. Third one is slip power recovery scheme. First we are going to concentrate stator voltage control. So already you are aware about construction of induction motor. So first we are concentrating that four types of stator voltage control. So in stator side we are varying the applied voltage. Torque is directly proportional with V square. So by varying the supply voltage, the speed of the motor can vary. By this concept, we are going to control the induction motor drive by using stator voltage controller. By using T is directly proportional with V square. So this is the speed torque characteristics. So when the voltage is increased, automatically the torque is increased. When the voltage is decreased, the torque is decreased. When the torque is decreased, speed of the induction motor have vary. Next, so in that conventional speed control method, so in conventional speed control method using auto transformer, and second one is primary resistor connected in series with the stator winding. So this figure shows the variable voltage by using auto transformer. So by using auto transformer, the induction motor by which can be vary. So this figure shows the second method of by primary connecting series resistor with the stator side. By varying the resistance value, the speed of the motor can vary. Next, solid state speed control using 3-phase AC voltage controller. So in solid state drive controller, there will be half wave AC voltage controller and a full wave AC voltage controller. So by using thyristor, we are going to control the speed of the motor. Next, closed loop speed control of induction motor. So this is the closed loop speed control of induction motor by using stator voltage control method. So in top there will be a thyristor controller bidirectional switches in each phase R, Y, B. So output of the motor, that shaft which is connected with the DC tacho generator. So after that DC tacho generator converts mechanical power into electrical signal. That signal is given feedback to amplifier and thyristor gate triggering circuit. So here reference speed, already we have set at what speed we required, the actual speed coming from the induction motor. Based on the reference and the actual speed, the error have been detected, and that error have been amplified, and it should gained to the thyristor gating signal, and by varying this, speed of the induction motor can vary. So this is the structure of closed loop system of induction motor by using stator voltage controller. So up to this we have seen stator voltage control. Next session we will see the rotor voltage control. Thank you to one and all.